Look at this homemade dressing. Yeah. Hi there guys, how are you doing? Thank you for joining me. So I'll just show you a quick salad dressing you can make. You can use it for salads, you can use it as a dip. Cashews are so good. You pre-soak them for a minimum of 4 hours. I've soaked this overnight. It's actually been in my fridge. So about a cup of cashews. I am going to be using some coriander seeds. You can use fresh coriander, but these are saved from last year, so that, as you can see, they're obviously frozen. It's a frozen coriander. A pinch of black pepper and salt. Pinch of black pepper and salt. I will also squeeze in half a lemon. You can use a whole lemon, but half a lemon is fine for me. This is not going to be a sweet dressing. If you want it really sweet, you can go ahead and add some dates or honey, but I'm fine. Half a third cup of flax oil. I use this brand. This is like the best raw flaxseed oil, high lignin you can ever get for me in the UK. Some olive oil. I try to also go organic and get from farmers rather than buying from commercial. The farmers have the freshest ones. So that's the olive oil. So all in all, about the equal amount. And paprika. This is going to make it a bit colorful. You can use just pure smoked paprika. I have the just normal paprika. And you can also add some apple cider vinegar. All right. Do you know what? Maybe I'll make this sweet, shall I? I'll get some dates. Add your dates. I'm using a couple dates. Just rinse my hands. And just blitz this. I'm adding these dates simply because I don't want some of you trying it and say, oh, this tastes horrible, because you've got sweet tooth and you're used to sweet dressings. So that's the reason. And also I will enjoy it. I'll just add a little bit more vinegar. It depends on your blender jug size and how creamy you want this. You can blend this thicker or more thin, depending on your preference. So let's just... Guys, this camera is not doing this thing justice. It looks so beautiful. It's like a coral color. This looks brown to me on the lens. I don't know what it will look like when I bring it up. When I edit the video, I mean. And it tastes just like Thousand Islands. Yes, it does. So I will call this my own homemade Thousand Islands. And this recipe, I just made it up, guys. So you can make this. Blend it whatever you have, whatever you like. It's not too sweet. It's really delicious. I added a little bit more olive oil and a little bit more apple cider. So in all, I'll probably say I doubled the olive oil I used originally, and the same with apple cider. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this point, please subscribe, try my recipes, and let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, and share my videos. Bye bye.